keeps dumping all this rubbish on the Pontypandy estate? It's awful. This bag mentions the address of a doctor important who lives on the other side of town. What's going on? Hello, is this doctor important?
Well, that's senior doctor consultant, Mr. Important to you.
See, what it is, right? We found bags of rubbish on the Pontypandy estate with your name on it.
I'm outraged. I paid a waste carrier to take my rubbish away.
Oh no. Can you send me the details the waste carrier used, please, so I can send them to the council? We'll get him done.
Several days later.
Is this senior doctor consultant Mr. Surgeon important?
It is.
Regarding the flight tipping with your name on it, you told me you'd send me the details of the dodgy waste carrier. I've not received them. I was going to ask the police to call over your house later, if that's all right, to get the details.
Oh, well, I have to confess something. I didn't actually use a waste carrier. Because, well, everyone knows if you dump it on Pontypandy estate, someone will clean it up.
Right, you have got till 4 p.m. to come and collect your rubbish, or I'm calling the police. It was the only thing I could do. Local council or police won't do anything.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for the pesky social housing stuff. Oh.
Your waste is your responsibility, not social housing. Be better.